Welcome to Electric Fun. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the topic called radiation pyrometer. Radiation pyrometers are the devices used for the measurement of temperature in the ranges of 700 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius. 2000 degrees Celsius is very high temperature, generally used for the measurement of temperatures like molten metals. So this is the architecture of radiation pyrometer, generally consisting of various parts. This is a concave lens. These are the radiations made to concentrate on one particular point, that is called as concentrated point or focusing point. And the device used for measurement of temperature is thermocouple. And to this thermocouple, a voltmeter is connected. So here what is this voltmeter doing? It is going to measure the value in terms of voltage. And these are the radiations which is coming from the hot region or heated region. So here let us see in detail how it is working. So these are the radiations which is coming from the heated zone are made to concentrate on this concave lens or made to fall on this concave lens. What does this concave lens do? This will make all the radiations to concentrate on one particular point. That point is called as focusing point. At this focusing point, all the radiations are made to concentrate, and whose temperature is to be measured is concentrated at this particular point. At this particular point, the device what is used for measurement of temperature, that is thermocouple, is connected over here, which is generally consisting of an voltmeter. So this measures the voltage, this measures the temperature in terms of voltage. So what is happening? So let us see in this diagram. All the radiations, whichever it is coming from the heated zone, are made to fall on this concave lens. What does this concave lens do? They reflect all the radiations to one particular point. That point is called as focusing point. So all the radiations are made to concentrate at one focusing point, and whose temperature is to be measured at that particular point, the device has to be connected. The device used is thermocouple. What does this thermocouple do? All the radiations, whichever it is concentrated at this particular point, will be measured by this thermocouple. This thermocouple measures the temperature which is concentrated at this particular point and shows the value in terms of voltage. The voltmeter, whatever it is showing the value in terms of voltage, is nothing but the measurement of temperature in terms of voltage, which is giving the value of temperature. Generally, the industry is consisting of various charts indicating the value of voltage in terms of temperature. This is how to measure the temperature using radiation pyrometer. So these devices are not directly connected at the heated zone because it consisting of various other electrical and electronic equipments. Those equipments get damaged. So these are not directly connected at the heated region. Else it is connected at this particular point. In order to protect the device, this is connected at this particular point and the measurement is carried out. So this is about your radiation pyrometer. And coming to the advantages, this is used for the measurement of temperature without any physical contact with radiating object, and the response is also very high. So these are the advantages of radiation pyrometer.